Highland Nilotes and the Maasai.
All right, look here at the Luo homestead. I saw this as we were walking to the other side of the museums. This is a typical house for the River Lake Nilotes.
Wow, I am impressed. But back up a little bit. Explain to me, like I don't know, what a Nilote is.
No problem. You see, the Nilotes get their name from their origins, the River Nile. They began north along the river in modern-day Sudan and Ethiopia, and moved southwards to Kenya and Lake Victoria. As a result of their movement, they have many shared physical features and cultural aspects from their movement.
And I thought I gave a lot of information.
Hey, it's my time to shine. Nilotes are the second largest group in Kenya after the Bantu, and settled around the 19th century to where we are located today, like Kisumu.
So tell me why you moved to Kenya.
Each Nilotic group's reasons are very similar to why you, the Bantus, moved. Only difference is the tribes they were fighting and interacting with.
I see. So the usual factors of increasing population, need for farming land, natural epidemics like floods and diseases and so on?
Yes, as well as being attacked by neighboring tribes, like the Eastern Kushites, and the want for exploration. One small addition is we were also looking for a better place to fish.
Oh, and were the effects similar too?
You learn fast, mister. Yes, the effects were similar, such as cultural and economic trading, intermarriage and assimilation, and conflict and displacement. The minor differences in each group being who borrowed from who and which groups were being pushed or assimilated.
You keep speaking of Nilotic groups. Care to go on?
If you say so, I will start with the Highland Nilotes.
The Kalenjin in the Rift Valley.
Correct. This includes the clans Kipsigs, Nandi, Kio, Marakwet, and others. 7 in total. Got a way to remember these?
Easy. Mzee says not to pet cuckoo, cuckoo.
That has chicken twice, but fine. Good job. Now, the origins of the Kalenjin lived on Mount Kamalinga in modern-day Uganda. The start of the 17th century saw them moving towards the modern-day border of Uganda and Kenya at Mount Elgon.
And they must have met some neighbors there.
Yes, like we discussed earlier, the Western Bantus were living around Mount Elgon. The Kalenjin gave cultural practices like circumcision to them. A few groups of Kalenjin decided to settle around Mount Elgon, being the groups of Bak, Bongo Mek, and Koni. Want to guess where they moved to?
I don't need to guess, remember? They settled around Aldai and joined by groups from Kamasia, Elgon, and Kipsigis. Essentially, the Rift Valley. Now, did you know that these groups were pastoralist farmers? That means they focused on livestock farming, and that's why they interacted with the Maasai and the Serikwa more often.
And this led to some conflicts between the Plains Nilotes, such as Maasai, Itso, and Turkana.
Oh, for someone not wanting to take the tour, you seem quite the historian, young man. Why are they called the Plain Nilotes?
It is important to know where we come from to appreciate where we are today, Dr. Griffin. And the answer is pretty simple. They are associated with the plains in the south.
Oh, the Maasai, Teso, Samburu, Turkana. Mist. Crew, to help you remember. Let's start with the Maasai. They seem to be the most recognized internationally.
The Maasai's shuka is actually the national dress of Kenya. The Maasai migrated into the Uasin Gishu Plateau during the 1600s and in 1700s continued south to the modern-day Kenya and Tanzania border,
which they fiercely protected.
Yes, I was getting to that. They are still known today to be very strong warriors and hunters, but due to their nomadic lifestyle, they have not been able to set up a central governing body since they are always on the move.
Here is a question for you. Do you know the two subgroups of the Maasai?
Nope, but I'm guessing you do?
There are two, that is, the Il Maasai or Purko. This group practice nomadic pastoralism to date, or moving around with livestock. The other group, Iloikop or Kwavi, that have adopted mixed farming, that is, they both grow crops and rear livestock.
Well, good to know. Now, do you know about the Samburu?
Come on, Luanda, what do you think?
Oh, right. Well, they are similar to the Maasai in cultural practices and even speaking the same language of Ma. But their location is central to northern Kenya.
Griffin, I am your wife and I am angry.
Hold that thought.